Okay, Leet code 23, merge k sorted list. You're given an array of k linked lists. Each linked list is sorted in ascending order. So, fairly similar to the merge to sorted list that we had like 2 problems ago. Okay. I think we should just rewrite that. So let's start with the base case. If the empty ones, if there's no list, or we're gonna return null if there's nothing there, and then we can merge to list. There's gonna be our function, which takes an L1 and list 1 and list 2. And then we'll do what we did before. Equals new list node. Let current equal head. And then while L1 does not equal null, type it right this time. L2 does not equal null. If L1 dot val is less than L2 dot val, then current dot next equals L1, and then L1 equals L1 dot next. Else current dot next equals L2, L2 equals L2 dot next, and then current equals current dot next, and current equals L1 or L2 for whatever's remaining. Oh wait, I made this mistake last time. Not next. Okay, and then we can return. And now it's the 2 sorted. And now for k sorted, we just keep on merging. So all the lists 2 at a time. And then we'll just put that back in the list. So our length, the length of the number of lists is greater than 1. We'll have our merged list. That every time will be reset. So, and then we'll have list equal to merged list at the end. So that's our high level overview. So we're going to merge all the lists into merge list and then set list equal to that merged list after we merge 2 at a time. So I list in list dot length, and then we'll do I plus equals 2. We'll do 2 at a time. So we'll have and now a list 1 equal to list at I, and then let list 2 equal. Okay, so we have to make sure it exists. So if I plus 1 is less than list.length, then list 2 will be I plus 1 because it exists. Otherwise, we'll just have it as null. And if its list 2 is null, it'll just do this. We'll just return one of the lists. So should be fine. And then merged list. We'll push. What did I name this? Merge to list of L1, L2. So that's that. And then our final result should be the last one in, well, there should be, list length should be 1, so list of 0. Awesome. No Python head today. 97%. Let's go. 33. Is there a huge difference? 53. Not really. In any case. In Python, we can do the same. If not list or length of list equals 0, return none. In Python, it's none. And then let's define our merge to list. L1, L2. And then head equals the new list node. Current equals head. While L1 and L2. If L1.val less than L2.val. Current.next equals L1 and L1 equals L1.next. Let's not type any parentheses. And then L2, L2, and L2. Current equals current.next. Current.next equals L1 or L2. Return head. And then in our main, what was it again? While our length list is greater than 1, we have our merged list that we create. How do we do this for I in range? So we start at 0. We go up to the length of list. And we're incrementing by 2. Okay. And then L1 equals list 1. List I, crazy. L2 equals list of I plus 1. There's no ternary operator in Python. So we can do it like this. If I plus 1 length is less than length list. That's so weird. Else none. Okay. It's always so weird, ternary equivalent in Python. Okay, merged list. What am I doing? Appending. And since we have a class, pretty sure we have to use a class name here. L1, L2. And then list equals merged list. Return list of 0. Let's see. Are my indentations right? Oh. This, oh my gosh, of course. Since it's on one line, we don't need the colon. Default colon typing. 79 and 57. How is this beats 79? Is there... What? Okay. Well, pretty good. And that's one way to do merge case ordered list.